President Trump now says he wants to reopen the country for business by Easter, even as health officials warn the coronavirus pandemic will continue to worsen in the U.S. Easter, as you know, is just 18 days away. That's very close from now. Paula Reid reports from the White House.
Easter is our timeline. What a great timeline that would be.
President Trump says he wants to see packed Easter services in just over 2 weeks.
I just thought it was a beautiful time. It would be a beautiful time, a beautiful timeline. It was based on a certain level of weeks from the time we started, and it happened to arrive. Actually, we were thinking in terms of sooner.
But Dr. Anthony Fauci, who returned to the coronavirus briefing stage yesterday, says not so fast.
You can look at a date, but you've got to be very flexible and on a literally day-by-day and week-by-week basis.
Medical experts have spent weeks warning Americans against crowded spaces and aren't willing to loosen those restrictions just yet.
No one is going to want to tone down things when you see what's going on in a place like New York City. So I think people might get the misinterpretation. You're just going to lift everything up, and even somebody's going like that. That's not going to happen. It's going to be looking at the data.
The president's comments came just hours after New York Governor Andrew Cuomo said that his state could see the coronavirus infections hit a peak in 2 to 3 weeks, and as other states are battling rising trends.
Says I don't think he's listening to the science. I think that he is, operating, he's looking at the stock market.
The president's aggressive timeline receives pushback from lawmakers on both sides of the aisle. Republican Congresswoman Liz Cheney tweeted, "There will be no normally functioning economy if our hospitals are overwhelmed."
Right.
That's Paula Reid reporting for us.